The reading uncertainty, or scale reading uncertainty, give it its full name, is an idea of how well an instrument scale can be read. So in an analogue scale, it's usually taken to be half of the smallest division on the scale. So in the first scale here that we've got, then you can see that it's going up in steps of 1 amp. Right? The smallest divisions there are 1 amp. So the uncertainty on that would be plus or minus 0.5 amps. So we could say that the reading here from this scale, 7.5 plus or minus 0.5. If the scale is a wee bit larger, then it may be reasonable to give smaller divisions. So can you judge if it's a fifth of these large divisions on that? But that would be quite unusual. We would kind of give you an example like that. So these are both analogue scales, half the smallest division. For a digital scale, there's no indication on the device if the reading is halfway between readings like there is in an analogue device where you can actually see that. So we have to take the uncertainty in a digital device as simply one unit of the smallest digit. So the smallest digit there is 0.3, so the uncertainty in this reading would be plus or minus 0.1 for a digital scale.